How to use Spotify Music as Android alarm. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. You can use the Spotify Music on your Android through your Google Clock. Now this application is already installed in most of the Android, and if you don't have, you can easily download from your Play Store. So what you can do is just tap open your Google Clock. So from here, you need to set an alarm first and foremost. Just make sure to toggle on the default one. Then tap on the alarm right here. You will see the option of default ringtone. Click on this given option. Here, the music alarm available have two of the options such as YouTube Music and Spotify Music, that is for free. You can click on Spotify Music. Now for this, make sure you are logged in into your Spotify application as well, that is available in your Android. Once you have been logged in into your Spotify, it will recommend you all of the songs that is available on your Spotify account, as well as the most recently played or recently listened or mostly listened songs. So you can just select on a music, then you can set it as your Spotify Music as your Android alarm. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning.